Hello and welcome. My name is Katrina and I'm from Camden Libraries, and today I am going to be doing a tutorial on how to draw your own mandalas. And some of you might be asking, what is a mandala? Well, it is a complex abstract design and it's usually circular in form. And by doing today's tutorial, you are actually going to be designing your own mandala, which can be really inspirational and therapeutic. So we are going to give it a go in honor of October, Mental Health Month. So follow me and have some fun. Today we are going to be making our own mandala. So we're going to draw it first and then colour it in. And for reference, this is my finished one. That's how it looks. But I want you to come up with your own design. So I'm just using A4 computer paper, and we are going to be making that into our mandala. We need a nice square bit of paper to work from. So you have the option of folding up the bottom corner of your computer paper and cutting off the excess, or by using a ruler and pencil to measure a square, big or as small as you want. My design, I went for 14 centimeters by 14 centimeters. But today we are just going to go off this bit of paper that I have folded from the computer paper. So what we want to do is we want to fold it out so we have a nice big square. And the first thing we're going to do is we want to make a dot, and we're going to make a dot in the very middle. So to be precise, we'll want to use a ruler, and as you can see, just by eye, my dot is in the wrong place, so we're going to put a new dot there. That's why having a rubber is handy. Circular in form. So generally we have a identifiable center point from which emanates an array of circles, just like in this design that I did, or just like these basic designs that you can buy from any store. So they start off in a circular and they work outwards. So that's what we're going to do. A cheat that you could do is you could use coins, and you could use a 5-cent coin and trace around it, and then a 20-cent coin. But this tutorial is all about drawing it yourself. So what we are going to do is from that center point, we are going to mark out dots. So our first circle is going to be a 1 centimeter diameter. Then I'm going to go out 2 centimeters, and then 3, and then 4. So you want to go around, and I'm going to put in some vague pencil lines for you so you can see which lines we want to draw these dots on. So I am basically halving this page. I am halving it on the diagonal, the vertical, and the horizontal, because we want everything to be nice and symmetrical. So as we've drawn the points on here, you can go ahead and do the same on all of the others. For today's demonstration, I'm just going to do one. Okay, and the point of this is you join these two dots together, freehand. So we start with a bit of a circular pattern, keep going like that, and that's how you have circles. So if you keep doing those dots and you do it all the way around and you do freehand with these, you will get your circular designs. The next step is to fill in these circles with whatever shape you would like. Again, this is the pattern that I used earlier, but you can make whatever you would like. So, for example, I'm going to draw a little teardrop, and then I'm going to draw some big circles like a petal or a flower, and then I might draw an arch that I can fill with lots of lines. Doesn't matter what the design is, as long as you like it, it's perfect. This is all about you. The best thing about designing your own mandalas is that you have the freedom to choose whatever shapes and colors that you feel express you, how you see the world, the aesthetics that you like. It is all about you. So I'm just going to fill in this quadrant. With just some basic ideas. And once you have your design, you can color it in. I have another tip for you. Sometimes it is really relaxing to work with something that's symmetrical, and when you are doing a design in all these different quadrants, the design tends to go askew. So what I did is I got my design, I did half of it, and then I copied it back and copied it to the other side. By that I mean draw out your design, fold the bit of paper in half, cover the back in lead pencil, and when you open it, an imprint from the pencil of your design here will be left on this other side, and you can just go over it to make it darker so that you have your complete design that you can then color in and have a go. Thank you so much for joining me today as I walked you through the steps of drawing your own mandala, and I hope that you grab some benefits from it and that it improves your day. If you did give this a go, I would love to get some feedback. If you send me a picture, I promise to check it out. Thank you. Bye.